Hi there and welcome to another video by BotPenguin. In this video, we will show you how to create Facebook drip campaigns, broadcasts, and how to use Facebook widgets. You might be wondering, what are they and why are they important? Well, a drip campaign is a series of pre-scheduled automated emails sent to nurture leads. It keeps your brand top of mind and builds engagement over time. On the other hand, broadcasts are immediate, one-time messages to a larger audience. They're perfect for announcements, promotions, or breaking news. Both strategies are crucial for effective marketing, allowing you to engage and connect with your audience in a targeted and timely manner. Now, let's talk about creating a drip campaign. Go to your Facebook chatbot, then navigate to Facebook automations. Here, you will find the section for drip campaigns. To create a new drip campaign, start by giving it a name. Then, select the customers you want to apply it to. Next, schedule which chat flow you want to use, and finally, choose the duration after which it will be initiated. You can add multiple campaigns, and once you're done, click on Create Drip Campaign, and you're all set. Similarly, for broadcasts, give it a name, select a flow, and choose the segment of users you want to target. You can send the broadcast immediately or schedule it for a later time. Now, let's move on to widgets. There are 3 types of widgets: chatbot icon, link, and QR code. The chatbot icon can be easily integrated into your website by copying the provided code and pasting it into your website's HTML code as shown. The other 2 options are links that you can manually send to people for promotion. That's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can always reach out to us or leave a comment, and we will get back to you. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.